of the week. My name is Ellen. This week, my favorite thing is this Ampeg by Burns of London Wild Dog guitar. It's called a Wild Dog, so that's hilarious. There are a number of hilarious things about it, but let's start with the basics. 22 frets, there's a 0 fret. It's a 1 11/16 inch nut. It's a very comfy, kind of modern feeling C-shaped neck for a guitar from the mid-60s. It's got a great feel. This headstock is enormous. It's like a weird cricket paddle. But I guess that makes sense because Burns is English. The tremolo on this thing, we don't have the original arm, but that's okay because the original arm was kind of a dumb looking, like, bulbous thing anyway. So the individually adjustable saddles sit on this plate, and the whole plate moves back and forth, so the strings don't slide over the saddles. Oh, we have a customer. Oh, I forgot about this sort of thing.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
As I was saying, the whole bridge assembly slides back and forth instead of the strings going over the saddles. The tremolo is cool. It's a brilliant design, and I don't know why it didn't take off. Probably because it's mechanically cumbersome. But it works great, and it sounds great, and it stays in tune, which is nuts. We got volume, we got tone, we got the selector, which I'll get to in a second, and we got this hilarious switch, which all it does is turn off the tone knob, so who knows what that's about. The settings on the selector are the very sensible sounding jazz and treble, but then you've also got these mystery settings, split sound, and wild dog. These pickups are, the treble side and the bass side are actually wound individually, so they function as two separate pickups. So the split sound section gives you the bass sound from the neck pickup and the treble sound from the bridge pickup. So it's weird, but it's cool. The jazz sound is just all the neck pickup. Kind of your basic Strat neck pickup sound. Very mellow, very musical. Treble sound is the bridge pickup. Again, just kind of a stratty sound. So that sounds great. Split sound, we've got, like I said before, we've got the bass side over here and the treble side over here, which kind of gives it this interesting hybrid. It's like very bassy and very trebly, and then just like mystery sound in the middle. I don't know, I kind of like it. Okay, so that's the split sound. This is Wild Dog, which is just kind of an out of phase. Kind of sounds like a cocked wah kind of thing. Gosh, that's weird. I mean, it sounds awesome, but it's super weird. This guitar can make a lot of cool noises. It looks great. Finding an all-cherry one like this is pretty weird. They're mostly in a burst color or a light blue. So, super great condition, great guitar, plays great, sounds weird, has this thing with the wang bar, you know, what's going on there. And it comes with the original hard shell case, so dig that. I give this guitar 4 out of 5 Ellens.
Ellen!
Here at Fanny's House of Music, we also sell vintage clothes. This week, my favorite vintage clothing item of the week, well, let me just go get it. This week, my favorite vintage clothing item of the week is this giant, shapeless space Mumu. Allow me to model it for you. Here I am in the giant, shapeless space Mumu. Great for a casual dinner party. It has these great snaps on the cuff for in case you need to roll up the sleeves of your giant spaceless.
It's getting hot on the prairie.
Just if you're getting hot on the prairie, you giant shapeless space Mumu. Well, that's all for Ellen's favorite thing at Fanny's of the Week. Tune in next week for me to have another favorite thing.